Hi there, welcome to the My Day 11 of 30-Day Healthy Lifestyle Eating Plan. I'm here with you. We are making this happen every single day for the next 30 days. And if you're just joining us, that is absolutely fine. You can start today. It doesn't matter where you begin. The important part is that you begin and you stay consistent. Okay, so that's what we're doing today. You probably have heard all sorts of different information out there about eating right and, how to lose weight and how to get in shape. So let's make this simple for you. Let's make it easy for you. All you need to do is take one meal out of the day. Replace it with the healthy option provided here, and you will automatically reduce your calorie intake by 500 calories. And yes, you will see results because of that. But more importantly, you will feel better because you're going to be nourishing your body with real foods. Okay, let's get started. Let's go over what we're having for breakfast. We are having a delicious, creamy, dreamy, yummy breakfast. Here's what you want to do. Take a bowl, mix together 1 low-fat plain Greek yogurt, 6 ounces, and 1 to 2 cups of low-fat cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a great source of protein, calcium, and phosphorus. Now what we're also going to do is add in 1 whole grain waffle, and I'm talking about the whole grain waffles that are made from whole grain flour. They're not just the crappy waffles out there. If you don't like waffles, you can always replace that with something else, or just skip it. But this is like my favorite thing to have for breakfast. I just love it. I grew up on waffles. Now I only have them occasionally, but I love them. So I'm going to have the waffle, and then you're going to pour over that 3/4 cup of blueberries. Blueberries are loaded with antioxidants. They're really good for fighting inflammation in the body. They're very low in sugar, which is interesting because they taste so sweet. We're going to toss in 2 tablespoons of chopped almonds. Almonds are high in fiber, good fats, and protein. This is going to keep you full and satisfied. All right, and that's our breakfast. That is amazing. All right, now let's go over to lunch. For lunch, we're having 1 cup of low-sodium lentil soup. This is a great plant-based protein and fiber option. And then we're going to add a side salad with 1 tablespoon of vinaigrette dressing. Keep that sodium down. Okay, and we're moving on to our snack. For a snack, we're going to have 2 brown rice cakes with 2 tablespoons of hummus. This is going to keep your blood sugar stable. It's going to keep you satisfied. Hummus is high in protein, fiber, and good fats. Okay, now let's go over to dinner. Dinner, we're having fish tacos. This is one of my favorite recipes. So easy, so yummy, so delicious. What you're going to do, you're going to take 4 ounces of grilled fish. This can be any type of fish that you like. I usually tend to go towards like cod or tilapia, but sometimes I go for salmon. It really just depends on what I'm in the mood for. This is a great lean protein source. It's high in omega-3 fatty acids. It's very low in saturated fat. And then you're going to take 1 whole corn soft small tortilla wrap. This is just like a regular sized tortilla, okay? Not a large tortilla. And then you're going to fry up some chopped tomatoes, peppers, onions, and scallions in 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and you're going to stir fry those veggies until they are nice and tender. And then you're going to put the fish in the tortilla with the veggies, and you can add in 1 to 4 cup of shredded low-fat cheese or 1 to 3 of an avocado. Avocado would be a great option. Very healthy, very filling, high in fiber and good fats. But if you choose to do the cheese, that's totally fine. It's a little bit of a different flavor profile, but both are equally delicious. Okay, so that is our dinner, and this is what we're having on day 11 of 30-Day Healthy Lifestyle Eating Plan. Remember to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.